to change their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you care, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? 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 Push me away, I wanna stay, baby. Push me away, yeah. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. I caught feelings, I got those feelings. I caught feelings, I got those feelings. I caught feelings, I got those feelings. Right now I'm living in a daydream. It won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got feelings, I got these feelings. I got those feelings, I got feelings, I got those feelings. Got these feelings.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Chad, what is happening, baby? Ooh, some calming music. We need to get some raindrops to add. when we're facing some manipulation. Hey, Miles got a cap on today. Hey, and he's got some arm tattoos as well. Hey,
Bro, when
Kigo.
those 10 pips start paying.
How was yesterday, Kigo? Did you guys do a number on the markets?
Oof, bro. That market's been on a stretcher this whole week, bro.
Cho. So you're taking NFP off, eh?
NFP is going to
Gonna
ICU.
Chad, hope you guys are doing well. Good to be back here. Unfortunately, I had some board meetings yesterday. Some very, very important board meetings. So Kigo held it down here for us. But Chad, before we start here, as every morning we're going to pray here. How was the prayers yesterday? Chad, good? Ceilings, or was the ceiling blown off with the roof?
Our special guests were delivering.
Really? Who was that?
Miles and Edsky.
Oh, did Miles pray?
Yeah, bro.
But I don't see any roofing contractors here this morning to repair the roof. So, no, I'm kidding, Chad.
They're all at Ignite, bro.
Were they praying at Ignite? I saw that. Okay. Just a little backstory. Mo sent us a screenshot. Was it Mo or Miles?
Mo.
The ceiling collapsing there at Ignite Fitness. Fitness was off the
Bro,
charts.
and the worst thing is, it hit someone actually, eh?
Really?
It hit a lady, it fell on her. Bro, I'm sorted for the rest of my life. I'm suing the hell out of you, bro.
Imagine you squatting, and while you're squatting, it's like a piece of the ceiling on your
You
head.
know, that would be like the ultimate gym meme. Like you squatting, the ceiling falls on you, and you just carry on squatting.
Oh, man. Chad. No, listen, but we're going to pray this morning. And Father, we just want to thank you for another beautiful day. Thank you for bringing us all back safely here today. We just pray for your guidance, your wisdom. We pray that this will be a blessed session. And we just thank you in advance for the rest of the week. We pray for a hedge of protection around us, our families, our businesses, our homes, our country, our community. And Father, we just want to bring you all of the honor, the praise, and the glory. And we pray this and we ask this very simple prayer because of your grace and your mercies that are new every single day. And Chad, if you believe it, you can drop a massive amen right now. Amen. All right, Chad, let's get straight into it. NFP week, obviously going to be a little saucy as always. NFP tomorrow. Myself and Kigo had a little bit of a chat here. We're still going to go through some of the numbers, see what is cracking. Rest of the day, nothing much. We just have some retail sales at 12 out of the Eurozone. We had some factory orders coming out of Germany this morning. Little better than expected, but still less than previous. So obviously major slowdown in Germany. And going straight onto the charts, Chad, let's check what is happening here. Dollar index for me, no bottom wick on this weekly. Very, very interesting. This is one of the things we chatted about. Also, the weekly for me, remember when I talked about it earlier in the week, last year, exactly this time, that is where the dollar topped out. So some interesting scenes here going into the end of the week, tail end of the week. One thing I do have to note is that we've got a confirmed resistance there, 100%. That is confirmed now. I'm technically bearish on the day for the dollar. And I want to give you guys a few scenarios. Please note that this is not financial advice. Please consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Only guarantee we give you years that you will lose money if you follow what we do here. Thank you very much, guys. Please read the T's and C's in the description of this video. These streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, chat, straight back to business. You can see we're in some type of consolidation. So for the most part, this could be your range up until NFP. But I do want to state that if we start getting below yesterday's low as well as Tuesday's low, this zone right here, things could get a little bit spicy, and we could go and create that bottom wick for the weekly candle that has got no bottom wick. So we've got quite a few zones to monitor. All right, lower time frame. What is the lower time frame showing us? There's that key level we marked out. There's Asia lows. There's your weekly pivot, and I want to say I'm going to have quite a big zone right there. And if we maintain rejections there, you can see the EMAs, everything are bearish. Then I can see this bearish order flow continue on the dollar, but we're going to need to see a little bit later once we open up what is going to happen into that zone. All right, US 30 daily. What is the daily doing? The daily is bullish. All right, daily is bullish. I do have to state though, this overlapping order flow we've got here, not the best, because yeah, it's not getting away here, but I'm still bullish on the day. There's your minor breakout on the daily 5-minute time frame. Let me just do this. Five-minute time frame is showing me that Asia highs have been taken, Asia lows untested. So I'm going to say wait for confirms for myself here. Wait for confirms above Asia high for continuation. Otherwise, we're first going to need to see what we do at Asia lows. All right, if we continuously reject the Asia lows, definitely on deck. Nasdaq daily. Chad, look at this, beautiful. Yesterday, you guys should have been bullish because there was your bullish breakout all-time highs. What do we do at all-time highs? Price discovery. You don't sell into new all-time highs, Chad. Please note that is not something you do. Still bullish on the day for me. Let me just do this. If you sell into all-time highs, you haven't been here long enough, and we will pray for you and we will show you some inside tricks here. Asia low is very simple, daily pivots all the way down there. So this is going to be your zone of action this morning. Ideally, Asia high still untested, weekly R3, monthly R1. You want to see what's going to happen around these Asia low levels. And that's basically going to determine what's going to happen for the rest of the London session. Gold. Chad, gold has been a mess. Mess. Alrighty, gold. Let's do a quick deep dive here onto gold. So Chad, look closely here for me. This is a previous key zone. What I also want to point out is that yesterday's daily candle took the previous daily low. So that is liquidity taken, and look where it bounced off. That key level that we've been working with for the last couple of weeks. Secondly, we've got a confirmed support now down here. The support is 100% confirmed now. But now we closed bullish up against this previous resistance area. So we are technically in a mini range on the daily. All right. We've got the monthly pivot there as well. And what have we seen with NFP? NFP tends to create the move for the rest of the month. Okay. So the thing that I sent to Mo this morning as well was that if we can hold above the monthly pivot this morning and we can get above this flat body resistance areas, I'm expecting gold to push up to the weekly pivot. If not, we're going to come all the way back in this range, and something that myself and Kigo also chatted about is that gold could potentially just hammer in and between this range up until NFP tomorrow. Okay. Going to our lower time frames, let's quickly look at what do we have. There's that daily key level. There's your monthly pivot. Again, rejecting. There's your daily pivot. There's your 200 EMA on the 15. And I actually want to look for potential sells below the daily pivot and below that 200 EMA. And I want to potentially look for buys away from the monthly pivot if and when we can hold above it. Otherwise, the sells look good to me, Chad. So these are the two zones that I will be monitoring going into this session. GU daily. Let's check the daily real quick. Daily for me is bullish on the day. Why am I bullish? Very simple. That is that previous area where we faked back into the range, but yesterday closing back above it. And also we've got a confirmed support from yesterday's daily candle. And what do you see there as well? You can see the previous daily low was taken, failing to hold below it. You guys know what we say about that. If we've got a scenario like this where we fail to hold below, that is very weak selling pressure, and you want to go to the opposite end of the range. So I am bullish up until this zone up here on GU. Sure, okay. This thing is now pretty
Antarctic over here, bro.
sure. Okay. So I'm going to be bullish up until that level, and then I want to see if we can break through that level. Let's check the 5. So daily is bullish. I don't think the weekly is bearish. Let me just check the weekly quickly, chat. Weekly, yeah, no, weekly is definitely not bearish. The weekly is neutral. Okay, so let's go back to the lower time frames. What are we working with here? Alrighty, so Asia has taken, not fully retested, I would say. Asia has taken, daily pivot is all the way down here. Previous daily high, there's your key level, there's your daily R1. So I'm going to say in the interim, I want to see what we do here going into the session. That's where I will make my decision for the rest of the session. And then last one, GJ daily. Okay. I actually did a quick analysis this morning while I was at home. GJ is a little bit tricky for me due to the fact that we've got a support area there. We've got a minor support area here as well. And then we also have this minor resistance area up here. So two things that I want to note is that we've got a confirmed support there, 2 bullish daily candles. But then also we've got a potential resistance area up here. Okay. So now let's jump to the lower time frame, see how we can attack this. So Asia lows have been taken, daily EQL, daily pivot up here. And I just want to see what we do once we open up at this zone here, this daily pivot, as well as that key level Asia lows. If we can hold above this, I'm going to look for the buys. If we continuously reject it, I'm going to look for the sells. And if we just start melting down now, I'm going to monitor 190.50, and I'm going to monitor the daily EQ. So that's going to be my zone for sell continuations, breaks below there. And then for potential buys, I want to see something above here. All right, so these, I'm not going to trade in this zone. That is your eating noodles and ramen for December and Jan range. So this right here, chat, that can really mess up your December plans, okay? But Kigo, over to you.
All right, guys. So let's start off with DXY. So still holding a neutral position. As you said, the whole week, for me, this key level and that psychological level, that's where we literally going to pin more between. We spoke about this when we see the weekly. We've been driving and then pulling back the whole time. So obviously we had the big move, pulled back, and we keep testing and bouncing up and down here. I do think there still is obviously the chance of us going for that monthly pivot with that yearly R1. But as Chris also said, this was almost like highs this time around last year. So is that something to take note of? We're going to have to see about that. But again, we could get something where we see a move like this happen and then go bullish again after that. Otherwise, we obviously can definitely still go getting this and breaking back down to the downside. So those are in the higher time frames, the two scenarios we're looking at here. It's very hard not to be a dollar bull right now, but at the same time, we just need to take it. So same thing I said to you yesterday, the minute we are under this daily key level and we are trading under previous daily lows, I am going to go already a little bit more bearish on the dollar. Now, major thing for me is the fact that this was a key level. It's the second time we've tested it. and we could barely get away from it. We literally got basically to the weekly pivot and then came right back in, and now we're back at it again. So if we do break underneath it again, probability tells me we are this time going to drive and go back for that yearly resistance and then monthly pivot, which is untested. So leading up to it, I think there can definitely be a little bit of bearish momentum on the dollar. That being said, obviously, as Chris mentioned, it is very hard not to be bullish. We gave you guys yesterday, we spoke about it, that once we had the break above this, holding that yearly, I said to you guys, cool, I'm bullish, monthly R1. That was meant to be the weekly target. It is Thursday and we've already hit it. So quite an interesting one, yeah. Honestly, not that I'm saying it's bearish, but I don't want to trade here. You're at an all-time high. You're at a monthly key level. You're obviously going to start just ranging ahead of a news event tomorrow. So a lot can happen. But again, going to be a tricky one. Obviously, the grubber kick is slowly trying to set up here, so we're going to see what happens there. But again, can have the potential pullback, something like this, and then continue bullish after that. So definitely not going to sound bearish, but as I say, we're on a monthly key area, so this is a major level. But personally, I just don't want to touch NASDAQ over there. US30, on the other hand, we are basically testing those all-time highs again. So we actually took them yesterday. You can see, so that was all-time highs over there, and we did take that. So a little bit of a wick, and I always say to you guys, one thing I don't like is when you wick an all-time high and reject. The fact we didn't reject, if you look at this time around, we hit it previously when we took it over here, we had that drive and then just absolutely crashed all the way down. The fact we did take it and we haven't, we still holding that psychological key level. This time around, I actually will also sound bullish. It definitely is having a bit more of a pullback, but I don't think it's going to take away from the bullish momentum. So again, same thing. Could see the possible grubber kick set up here. You have Asia lows, Asia highs. If we break back in, going for the EQ, and then the move all the way back to the top side to go again for those all-time highs. Otherwise, same as NASDAQ yesterday, we are trading, we have Asia highs, Asia lows. If we do break now above Asia highs and we do just hold this, we can just start to grind all the way right off the rip. So just be on the lookout for that. And then lastly with gold, gold there is now the interesting one for me. I'm obviously still very much neutral. I said to you guys, the main thing for me is this monthly pivot. We want to get away from it. And the fact we're not, one day we under it, then we above it, it's a complete mess up. So I am gonna most likely sound bullish on it. The buys are just looking more probable, yeah. Even though we have these two ranges, if we look in the 4 hours, so where before we had this nice clear movements, before we started ranging like this was our lowest point on bodily closures, and this is now our highest point that we're trying to break. Then obviously we got the monthly pivot 3/4 in the middle. So when we start looking here, two things that are going to stand out to me is the idea that if we look here, we had a lot more wicks and retention here at the bottom of the lows. Now we have a high, a high, a high, and we're starting to hold more to the topper end of this range. So just naturally we can see that pressure is starting to come. On all the different time frames, you can see we testing that 200 EMA and it's holding. And as lately, we've been talking that 200 EMA could be a strategy on its own. The 30-minute, it's tested and held. The 50-minute, it's tested and held. The 5-minute, it's testing and holding. Now, the only thing where that, and that's why I'm saying I'm still neutral, is as much as it's holding all the time frames, if you look at it, but we want to see markets going bullish or bearish, you're quite away from the 200. Like there, if you were going bullish, the 200's down here. If you're going bearish, the 200's up here, you down there. When we, this is choppy. And the thing for me is the fact that yes, we're holding it, but we're still very close to it. It can go anyway. When you go to the 5-minute, for example, now you're under it. If we had to go to the 1 minute, now we're under it. It's a very, very choppy area, and that's for me is what's holding that neutral position. So as much as higher time frames at this point, I am leaning bullish. Lower time frames, I do see the possible sells coming in. So honestly, guys, I just am not gonna touch it there. Once we're above monthly pivot, I will start to see if we can hold above the monthly pivot. I'll look for those buys. If we can break the lows, Asia lows and the EQ and hold below that, I'll look for the sells. But anything before that, I just don't think it's worth ruining my morning over. So that's pretty much it for me, guys.
Kigo, so you're not keen on ruining your
Bro, we don't want those Thursday blues.
Oof. All right, Chad, we are about 30 minutes. Good time. How's everyone doing? How's the week? Numbers dropping. Obviously, a lot of guys already blew up for the year, saving their funds for December. Do you think that's the thing, Keeks?
Yeah, bro.
Like, guys, they want to
Guys
ruin
already-
the
they-
December plans.
They put money on the line already, bro. And they were like, listen, I'm either having a great December or a bad
Ooh.
December. Now I'm having a bad
Ooh.
December. I don't want to have a worse December.
So, Chad.
Let me stop while I'm ahead.
Chad. What's happening? Alrighty. Things are getting heated here. Gold. What are we gonna do? Are we selling below the daily pivot? Or are we buying above the monthly pivot? Time will tell. Time will tell. US 30 rejecting those Asia highs. DXY trying to hold this daily key level. GU might just run away from us here. Previous daily high. GJ, let's wait here, Chad. There's potential. Kicks, definitely some potential here this morning.
Nah, definitely, bro. You gotta risk it for the biscuit.
Biscuits will be on the line here, Chad. Yeah, Chad, I want to say something below here on the 30 and on the 15. That's where I would look for potential sells and then buys. Dude, what is this price action, my dude? Gold. What is this? Yo. NCS, baby. Chad, you guys missed me yesterday. I missed you guys. I actually had to go and rewatch Kigo and Miles' stream. Just to see what the lads got up to. I know what happened in the afternoon. Just got a lot of winners there in the DMs. Keeks, but you've been feeding the boys this week. And the ladies.
Bro, it's December time, bro.
These guys have been put on a little bulking cycle. Account equity bulking.
We want some M4s under the Christmas tree.
Whew. Chris, thoughts on Powell's speech? Rooks, I didn't even check, my brother. I haven't even checked the speech. When was the speech? I can tell you one thing. He's not going to talk about monetary policy. That's why they've got FOMC meetings. So whatever he said, it was well scripted and something in line with just their dual mandate of price stability and making sure that the labor market is at full capacity while also maintaining their gradual route to 2% inflation target. But Chad, markets are open and in motion, baby. This is our favorite round. Round 7. Ding, 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 ding.
Round 1. Fight.
Here we go.
Nearly game time.
Okay. GU gonna Rono. GJ.
Bless you.
Nothing like a little bit of. Bro, how's your allergies? My nose is choked, my dude.
Been alright, eh? Yesterday, my nose just couldn't stop running.
Wait, let me go get that. I've got stuff. Give me a second, chat. I'm gonna have to spray this nose quickly.
Yeah, until actually, you know, bro, the 9 to 5 price action. So guys, what's the update here? What is the update on the subscriber count? We are at 10 o'clock on this beautiful morning. We are 340 away from 340. $340, go to 15k subs, baby. We are around the corner.
Good.
Nearly there. I'm good, bro. We are pushing through, yeah.
Boy.
No, my G alert woke me up, but farmer candle was 150 pips. The rest moved aggressively, myself too small.
Sure. Some flow mist. Some flow mist and antihistamine. Alrighty. Gold ski. What is gold gonna do here for us? Okay, Chad. Let's give that antihistamine a little while just to get into the bloodstream here.
Yo guys, I'm gonna be a bit patient on gold, but as I am like. So as I said, anything above that monthly pivot, we're gonna be locked in for it. But I'm gonna just basically wait and see what's happening with this 15, the first open, and then we're gonna see from that.
225.
Hey, Tina Satini. When last I see that name?
Bro, my brother, how are you, man? It's been a minute. Keeks?
Bro, we still making the 2G's drink, and that's
Bro, that is still on. Tina Satini, my brother. Chad. What a day, man. It's going to be an excellent day. Tina Satini back. Sheesh, my brother. Good to see you. We've gained some brothers, we've lost some brothers. Kigs, if you think about it, guys that were in the chat most of the year, you don't see them anymore.
yeah.
Fell by the wayside. Things got tough. Fell away.
Yeah,
Or
there's some ranges that have disappeared.
there's a lot of ranges I've not seen in a bit. But we still love them.
Some ranges
We still love them.
that sold our signals.
What keys? Wait. What do you mean? What do you mean? Rangers selling our signals.
I'm just saying, guys, greed is a terrible thing.
Keeks. Are you telling me guys opening up a service on the back of our service? Is that what you say?
That's it, bro.
Alright. That is some pretty clever business strategy. So they drop shipped our
Hey, we're doing some drop shipping there, bro.
sure subletting.
Hey, bro. So it's the Wild West out here, apparently. Hey, Lyndon, the boys think we sleep over here, bro. When we hustling. We know everything, bro.
Oh, alright. It is sure.
And again,
Sure.
guys, I'm not naming names. We're not gonna go there, but we've always said it. We said it when we exposed Oaks. We said it with everything else. We wouldn't say something if we didn't have the proof to back it up. Chris has got that fax machine on the side there ready to go.
Keeks, let the guys rest. Let the guys rest, Keeks.
I'm good, gents. Always love to do back to the streams. This is my second home from home. Now we're glad to see ya. Geez, long time. Congrats on 14k, almost at 15k. Yo, all the OGs coming out the building here today.
Who's that? Let me check.
Happens when you wrench everyone in the chat.
Dylan Savage. Hey, my brother. Dylan Savage in the house. Always want to know. The people want to know, Keeks. Nah, but we'll keep it. We'll keep it.
Rita's violence this morning. What geez, the daylight saving London session back. Wait, what? Back to 9 a.m. No, it's still daylight savings. That's not clever business. What happens when the rivers rivers run dry?
That's the thing.
Hey, Jason, shot for the donor, brother.
Wait. Who gave it out? Oi, Jason, my man. Wait. The boys just want to hear that horn. Bro, I actually want to get like a thunder one. Once we start talking about these sublet letters.
You know, bro, I wanted to say something. I was like, I don't know, that's going too far.
Wait, tell me. All right, Keeks. I see you. Now I get what you're saying. Sisa Beliza.
Good morning, Chad. Keys caught a beautiful 110 pips on yesterday's USD sells. That's awesome, bro. I'm glad you capitalized on that, my brother.
Chad, anyone, where's this Forza trading?
I like the round one fight voiceover. Yeah, Jeremy, we slowly upgrading the system.
Round one, fight.
Chris, check gold the 50.
Who said that? Oh,
I know.
Hey,
Lyndon, a donor there, my brother. I really appreciate you.
Lindonian. Another donor.
Another donor.
Woo! Chad, these guys are getting... You guys are getting aggressive with the donors. Damn.
Sell or no sell? Guys, I'm just saying ahead of what Hannah's going to say there now. The sells for me, if you get this candle, if this thing can break these lows. And also, if that happens, yeah, you get a candle like this that can drive. Take these lows out. You've now retested that monthly pivot on the open, on the crossover of your sessions. You've had the pullback. Now you break down. We want to target the lows and see that drive. So if we can get something like this, I am really gonna like those sells.
I know. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close, my brother. That's a little secret internal strat.
Hey, Nazam with the donor as
Wait, Nazam. Sure, the boys.
At this rate, guys, those kawaii raps are coming in here today.
Yo, Chad. That one is gonna fly today. Womp, 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 womp. Wait, oh, there's the donor coming through now.
Here we go. That's what we want to see. 3 minutes. Drive, little candle drive. Bro, it's so weird, like, trading on the 15 again after a long time. Like, trade on the 15 in London and then on a 1 minute in New
Sure.
York.
Dude. Dude, NCS. These guys need to be reported by the banger police.
You know, bro, that's a sound effect we need. You know that
Sirens.
whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
FBI, open up. That's Ronald's one. Yo, that man loves that one.
Keeks, I always laugh when you say drive, cannot drive. And I'm like, but if it drives, why are we not in this? Hey, bro, I'm just waiting for it's going to drive. It needs, bro, I'm not going to walk down the road to my cab. The cab needs to stop here at me, pick me up, and then we go to our destination. Yo. I
Oh,
feel
they
like
got
I'm
it
at,
wrong.
this is like a rave in Istanbul.
No, they got it wrong there. They got it. They got it wrong there. 100%.
Good morning, G's. Chris, is GJ doing what you were thinking about?
Yeah. GJ, I'm actually getting my charts ready.
Ed's saying apparently that song's very good, bro.
Really?
You gotta wait for the beat to drop.
Okay, wait. I'll go back.
This,
It's a little fast paced here for a London sesh. This feels more like your NYSE sesh.
did you hear about the Hawk Tour Girl rug pull? No? What happened?
Don't tell me she had a meme coin
I was
called
gonna say, what did that chick do now?
Coin Tour. Please don't tell me it was a coin tour. Hey. Oh shit. Cute.
Yeah, chat, I'm gonna take a sell on this. We're gonna run a 30 pip stop. We can target the daily S1, but I just want to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, there's our 1-to-1. We want to see what happens after we drive this.
Bro, this feels like English guys that went for a Afrikaans type song.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel you on that.
I know, are you trying to blow our little test account there? I'll manage it, but just check you open up a 1.5 lot on our little test account. But let's see. I'm just gonna wait. I'll manage it.
Come on.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across
Okay,
it.
chat, I'm gonna need to manage this quickly first, then we'll go pee.
My click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible.
I know, almost new to our little test account here. It was a good mistake, I know, but I didn't open a 1.5 on that little test account. Sheesh, I know. You get me glad we were on the right side there. Quick 2,000 rands. Where's Anu? Sure, Anu almost. Anu, what happened there, my dude? Yes, yeah, Anu, you had me a little bit nervous there. Let me check GJ. Yeah, I entered those. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna enter GJ here purely because we haven't retested that area, and also, secondly, we 7 pips away from 191. So no, you can if you want to, but for me, your advantage point is literally 5 pips. No test on this backside. Not even on the lower time frames. So no, I'm gonna patiently just wait. I know, did you enter manual or was it the script that you ran? Just let me know, just so we can fix it. Check it, bro. I don't open a 1.5. I thought Alan was throwing caution to the wind with full send in his test account.
Yo, Chad, I'm actually going to minimize my stops. We're going to go to 20, purely just because obviously, yeah, that's your EQ and Asia lows. So
Kigs, I've set my TPs at 2642.
yeah, I want to aim for, because basically also if we break under this, that round number, so even 2640.
Yeah.
And obviously, I mean, because the daily is was at 2636, so 2640, bro, is a very nice, easy target. But I just want to see a drive past that Asia lows.
Yeah, chat, GU, we can't do anything. GJ, like I said, not interested. Can work, definitely can work, but 191, no test at the bottom. I'll rather wait it out. I would say if you took GJ on the break of these highs, I would honestly give it till the candle closed to see if we can hold above here. And if we can hold above 191, your next zone of interest is here. And then after that, you can take it level by level. And then you can try and run it all the way to Asia highs. GU. Yeah, I know. Asia highs have been taken. So if we take Asia lows, come back in the Asia range, then you can scrap gold for the rest of the day, Chad. But if we break through this EQ and Asia lows, I think we are goody. I think we are goody. Stoufie nog nie, ek het 20 WhatsApps wat ek gaan moet deurwerk vanoggend na stream. So
Okay.
wow.
Chris, this
Wow. Okay, let's just nee, ek toch amper het 4 screens daar. GU. I just want to quickly go chat to Mo.
The man with a dream. There we go, guys. The fact we're going back down again, this is very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, Casper. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see, Casper. There we go, guys. Okay, Chad, you can go break even. We just want to wait for this candle to close. Yeah, guys, go break even on the trade. So now, again, as I said, 2640 is where we're going to basically have our TB. 2640, let's put it there. That's going to be the goal for the trade. We just need this thing to close underneath there. Yo, come on, don't reject this drive. Just do it for us. Just break that low. That's all we want to see. Yo. Yeah, for me guys, if it goes break even, I'm happy. I'm not gonna waste my time sitting in that. If this thing goes all the way back up again, Chad, then as you said, this is just gonna be a range day. Yeah, I know, like, it's all nice, bro. Like, you just don't want to be on opium, bro. If this thing rejects these lows again now, like, it's not a trade you want to be in. Just go. Just do it for us. Bro, this candle, like, we nearly went break even. I've gone break even. Because, bro, if that thing keeps holding those lows. There we go. Chad, this is close. This is like on the money. You're closing on the EQ and Asia lows.
Split. Chad, this is the reason why I didn't take GJ. I told you guys it's too close to that. We've got no retest. I'll wait for a break and a retest of this level. If you don't get it, that's fine. If it just runs, that's also none of my business. Gold I like. Only thing is we need to start driving it now. Dude, NCS. Sure. What I will say is I will close my positions manually if we start holding back above 26.45. That's my... If we come back above 26.45, I'll just kill the position manually, because then very likely we're going to range for the rest of the day. Sure. Kigs, NCS is getting to the level where you can, on a long road trip, you can actually
Just
put it on.
NCS.
NCS live, Chad.
Hey bro, the 10 pippers are eating today.
Oh, they're done for the day.
They're done
They're
already.
on their way to the barber's shop. Barber shops will be eating a little bit later.
This is where we just have to be patient. This thing either is gonna turn around, we take a break even, or this thing's gonna run.
Ranarino. Yeah, let's check it. Yeah, if this 5 closes bullish back above, that is me can actually also go break even now. Yeah, I've also gone break even kicks. My break even 26, 46, 50. Yeah, very like that. Yeah, Keeks, here's the thing though. We can potentially come all the way back to test the backside of the daily pivot, but then I would rather wait for re-entries
Yeah.
than still sit in the trade and get stuck in the chop zone. Yeah.
No, that's the thing. I agree with you, bro. That's all. Like for me, I'm giving it the chance to run. Let's break even. Like I'm prepared to take a break even, but I don't want to be stuck in this.
NCS, baby. But I do think once we re-break this 15 low, it's gone.
On the right,
Sure.
it is gold.
Yo, underground. Yeah, this could either just be chop for the rest of the day, or we're gonna get a move here. Stops at break even. You also break even, eh?
Yeah.
Kigo, Speedo. Let's say if I do take a break even, Keeks,
Yeah.
we create a 15 support here. Next 15 breaks that. Then I would take a sell on the break of those lows. If
Yeah.
we create like a minus support here.
Nah, I feel that's legit.
Jex, wait. Jexy, let me check. Sorry, man. Sometimes we get so locked in. Let me see what Jex is asking now. Okay, Rook's just bruh. To just training, I have a question, boys. Okay, go. You still think it can still go bullish before NFP? All in labor failing. 2G's trading, NAS holding Asia lows but failing to drive. You think it can still go bullish? Let me check here for you. Yo, okay, this music. What is this? It's just a lot of pom pom pom. Yeah, chat. I'm ripping band-aids off my positions. Well, now I can actually just leave it at break even. Yeah, I'm just leaving it at break even. Let's see. Jexy, let's check it for you. Let's check it for my boy Jex. Let's check with Jex. Jexy, I'm thinking. Obviously you know the drill if we're holding here, so I do think it can still go bullish. But yeah, if we can hold here, definitely Asia has. The range though is very tight. It's only 20 yards, a very, very tight range. It's not the biggest of ranges. Personally, I wouldn't waste any money on it. If I'm being very, very honest with you. Yeah, gold, I actually just want to rip the band-aid off, but then on the 30 again, this looks clean.
It's a chip in a dream, bro. Just let the
The
dream go.
30. Yeah, I'm break even. Yeah, Chad. You know what? I took the trade with Kigo. What I will say though is I'm actually gonna have sell stops here.
Like start scaling in yet, bro.
Yeah, I am break even with you, but I'm gonna have sell stops there, and then I basically want to target the bottom of this range, 26.40. Actually down here, 26.38. Yeah. But yeah, Asia 26.45 holding. Very likely we go to retest that daily pivot. But if not, I'm gonna have some sell stops here that I'm gonna set.
When you guys are gonna stop trading for December, when we feel like it, I guess.
Okay, let's go to the 30.
And we're not gonna wait for the bottom wick.
Who's that now?
Linden.
Hey, Lindo, you're naughty, my dude. Okay, there we go. Bro, they even have a fake Taylor Swift on Incest. This is a... Yeah.
That is so funny, bro.
They even have got a rip-off for the Swifties as well. So they cater for all genres. Bro, does this not sound like Swiftie?
100%, bro.
Bruh, this is Swiftie, my dude. Alright. Okay, Jakes, did I answer well there, my brother? Oh, damn. Question is, how do I get out of this chat now? Oh, there, I'm back. Taylor Swift in the house. Alrighty, Kigo. Let's see if this 30 can flip bearish again. Break that low. Could be a stunning trade here.
When you see this thing drive.
Did she just say buy side liquidity? You hear that? Bro, it's trading Swiftie. Buy side liquidity. Bro, I swear this is the ICT Taylor Swift. I'm looking for buy side liquidity into the sell side efficiency. Nah, I'm kidding this. Nah, Chad, I think gold back in the range. I think you can chalk it for the rest of the day. Asia low is holding. Yeah.
I know if dollar drops, gold goes up.
GJ.
Oh, we need a gold song.
Bruno Mars has got a gold song for us, Geeks. Do you know what song it is?
A gold song.
Bro, do you not know? Chad, come on. You guys are banger veterans. This is our gold song.
I'm always.
Players, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air.
Okay, so this is our gold song, my dude.
Head to toe, so clear.
I'm break even at Chad.
Look out.
Yeah, same here.
Pop, pop, it's showtime. 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 Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Gone time. Oh, they don't know. Gone time. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Showed up. I'm wearing Cuban links. Yeah. Designer mix. Yeah. Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues. Woo, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Second verse for the hustlers. Gangsters. Bad bitches and your ugly ass friends.
Yo, no. This is a family show, Bruno. Family show, Bruno. But yeah, Chad, that's I don't know. My mind works in songs, Geeks. What would you say is your gold song? I just immediately thought of 24 Karat Magic. Chad.
Yo, I don't know, bro. Yo, I really don't know.
Chad, let me know what you guys. Gold is not done yet. No, gold is done, my dude. I still have my sell subs there, but gold is done, my dude. Gold is gonna range for the rest of the day. So don't hold your breath. Do not hold your breath, my fellow brethren. There's that 191 level. Chad, only reason I'm still holding my gold sell stops is on the 30 minute. There's your 200 EMA. You can see here yesterday, 2 o'clock, COMEX, retest on the 200, break of the low, and I think you got almost 50. Yeah. Now, similar, same thing, closed below, retested the daily pivot. So now my idea is that if we re-break this 30-minute low, we're going to see something very similar to what happened here. And the same as with the mornings, the morning session. Early that morning, myself and Mo, and I think Kigo as well, we took some buys off the 200 with the monthly pivot target. Same thing, that 200. So that is the idea. That's why I'm still keeping it here. 12 minutes left though, so let's see. Can we get some type of new spike to go down? If we do, I'm expecting us to go and fill this range all the way down here. TP is actually set at 2640 down there.
Can you send me a 6-pack if I'm right by gold for in 22? And man, we've been saying, bro, from this morning, we've said it's going to 2640.
Arman, dude. You can see that I still have sell stops here. It's just that we cannot be ignorant if something's holding a level like that level. There is a very high probability we can just stay in the range. So as much as we want to see 2640, if price is not showing you that, then alright. Bro, this I feel like it's a Cape Town song. When you get there, December, sun is shining. You got that strong smell of sunscreen, some aftershave, chest hair is out. A little bit like bronze on the chest. See that guy with the Speedo, Crocs, gold chain. That gold chain is almost like stuck in the chest there, Keegs. Man, it's just bronzed. Have you seen that?
In the chest there.
That gold chain is like held up a little bit, elevated on the chest there.
Echoes of your words crashing into me. Drown me in your lies, and there's no way to breathe. And my walls will keep you down. I am safe.
Alright, can gold do a number for us?
It's getting colder, and I'm a storm that's taking over.
Kigo, basically a week to go, my brother. Then it's
week, bro.
a holiday.
We are nearly there.
December. December. Come on, gold, do it for us now. Do it, gold. Incognito, listen here. The XRP thing. When that XRP pump happened, everyone coming out of the woodworks. Like, I've been telling you guys, XRP, I've been professing this coin for years. I've been holding positions since it was 10 cents. Bro, I don't own a single piece of crypto. I know Keegan started a couple of weeks ago, a month ago. But Chad, I don't know. I just have a mental block against it because I've seen people make not thousands, like millions, talking 10, 15, 20 million, not sell it, not realize the gain for them to sell at a loss. And that is the unfortunate thing about crypto, is that greed gets to you, and that gain is not realized up until you sell the coin. So and I've seen it. You get to I traded Bitcoin for maybe a week many years ago. Made like 30% in a day, and I was like, nah, this is witchcraft. Let me take my 30k that I made, and I'm not going back into this witchcraft again. Brian, here's the thing. When are you planning to sell? And if you tell me, nah, I'm not planning to sell, then yeah, if you don't have an exit strat, I can promise you, you're gonna at one stage you're gonna buy more. You're gonna go into some drawdown at one stage during the correction, and then you're gonna say like, fuck, why didn't I sell? So just have a plan. If you understand market cycles, at least have a plan to lock in some gains. Chad, I know of guys that bought crypto, then they take their crypto holdings. At that stage, you could loan against your crypto. So they would loan against the crypto holdings they have, buy more crypto, then basically use the crypto that they bought from the loan, basically refinance that to buy more crypto, and they basically daisy train that. And yeah, let me not even get into that. Oh, Chad, not in yet. Not in yet. Okay, Chad, I'm in. Here we go. Damn.
Oh, that was running now.
That was pretty aggressive. Where's our next level? Okay, our next level is 2640. Chat, I'm active. I'm just gonna check where I can manage. I'm gonna go break even down here. But why is my price different here? Yeah, Chad. Yes, Chad. I got slipped a bit. I actually got filled. Oh, damn, Chad. Okay, I'm gonna go break even on this. I'm gonna go break even. I'm break even on this, Chad. There's that half round, half off. That half off there. Break even. There's 15 done. I told Miles as well, instead of going 10 on gold, go 15. And then 40. That is the target down there. 40. Sure. I just want to put in my exact entry, chat. I got slipped to bits. 43. But why does it actually, yeah, oh, about to break even, oh, break even. Damn, that was quick. Was only up about, break even it.
That was a quick trade.
Yo. Dude, we would have been smiling with these other positions up there.
Yeah, bro. But,
No, but
it's that whole thing, bro. It could have turned around and done just the same way and gone bullish.
No, I agree with you, dude. I was happy with the management. Yeah, Chad, if you took your 15 or 10, that thing was barely 15. I was never gonna take just 15. Purely for the fact that I want to see this year happen here.
Yeah.
That's the idea. Every single time, just look left here, Chad. Every single time you get quite a nice move away from that 200. So yeah, that's a chance you take. Break even. 2 break evens. 1 for Kigo, 1 for myself. But yeah, that is most likely gold for the rest of the session. GJ, for the guys that the naughty boys, there's that 191. I was never going to take this, Chad. 100%. 100% I was not going to take a trade into the institutional level. But if you took it, well played. Well played. Kigo gold.
Hey, bro, it's just part of it, eh?
Kigo. Dude, I feel like if I have to take another position on this, I'm a degenerate. And then I must just call it for the year. And we can just do gaming streams where we play games because, nah, this is not it. 10 is 10, Chris. No, Benedictine on gold, 15 is 15. I told Miles it makes 0 sense to go for 10 on gold. At least have a negative 0.5 or on gold. Because if you think about it, your stops on gold 30, like at least take 15. Aviator, my wife will divorce me. The first thing she will tell me is, "Yo, julle bid so mooi in die oggend op stream en dan gaan gamble julle. Wat sê die Bybel van gambling?" Jong man, is jy 'n hypocrite? And she's gonna hit me with, I think it is, what is the verse? Matthew. Gambling directly appeals to covetousness and greed, which is idolatry, according to the Apostle Paul. Colossians 3 verse 5. Gambling breaches the first, second, eighth, and 10 commandments. It enthrones personal desires in place of God. Jesus warned you cannot serve both God and money. She's going to bang me straight with that. In my DMs, boom. And it's like, I can't even fight that. I can't even fight it. It's like you just say 100%. Jy is reg, my skat. Ons is stout. En ons moet repent. Chad, I promise you. You know when my wife, Kigs, when me and my wife get into a tussle.
Yeah.
And we start banging out some Bible verses, then you know, it's checkmate. It's checkmate. Chad, if I go into that book and I'm like, woof, my love, did you see what the Bible said? Yeah. It's like, then even she's like, all right. I concede. Anyone watches Active Self-Defense channel on YouTube? Yesterday they posted some guy taking heavy blows. Respect, buff guys. Miles 10 pips incognito. That 10 you can fight it or you can use it. Chad, so I guess everyone that's still here, they're not buy XRP at 10 cents. Keeks. 205 of you, including myself and Keeks. Otherwise, we would be on a beach somewhere, sipping some very, very heavily dosed cocktails and having our feet rubbed.
We were apparently the only 200 people in the world who didn't buy XRP at
10 cents. And yeah, we would be at some Bali next to the pool there. They actually, Chad, I was there a couple of years ago. They actually, you pay and they come rub your feet and your back. You literally get like a massage there next to the pool. And I was like, shit, is this what rich people do? Everyone's just getting shoulder rubs and feet in the air, and you just go like this, kids. It's like, all right, sir. The usual, yes. Just tap water with ice. So you have to pay for the ice. There's a surcharge. Again, no ice. Just make sure it's a little cold. $3.50 for me. XRP now, I think, dropped about 18%. Let's check the weekly. Oh damn! Yeah, chat. There's the previous all-time high, 3. Actually 3.3. So came very close to that 3. And if you consider if it's going to follow Bitcoin, it should take out these highs here, and it should actually extend, I think, about 1.5 of this entire move. So if you pull a fib, it should actually extend to, this thing should go to 8.2. 8.2. Kigs, is this like an affirmation song in the mornings before you trade?
Bro, I promise you I was singing the same thing. I don't know who this lady's trying to convince she's rich.
That it's like, Chad, I think that's me for the sesh, eh, Kigs? How you? I think
I'm not taking it out, but you know me. I took my shot. Next, it's New York Station.
I have to say I like the Asian pan flute in the back. You hear that? Little Asian pan flute there.
No, bro, you've always liked the Asian pan flute.
All right, Chad. Yeah, Chad, that's me. I took 2 shots on gold this morning. Break even. I think if me and but no, not if what this that no, we don't have done anything. Chad, that is the sesh. Kigs, anything you still looking at, my brother?
Nah, bro, everything's choppy. Don't touch indices in London, so that's simple, and gold's choppy now, so that's it.
Chopperara. Yeah, Chad, there's nothing else here for me. GJ. Took me out. Alright, Keeks, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for standing in yesterday, my dude. That was very good. Yeah, Chad had a board meeting to bring in at cost for you guys the Asian pan flute to play the 444 hertz pan flutes and also the 888 hertz pan flutes to increase profitability. But Chad, we're gonna see you guys at 4 p.m. I'm just gonna go get some ice to put Keegan's hands in that ice because he's had some hot hands this week, just to cool them off a little bit. Don't want it running too hot. I'm just gonna give him a nice shoulder rub. And I hope you guys send him some DMs and some love because he has been on a storm. Actually, the last 2 weeks, hey Keeks.
Yeah.
Chad, the last 2 weeks, the man has been on an absolute bender. Markets on stretches. Luckily, we've got a lot of ambulances parked across the street. And yeah, this man is going to put some markets on a stretch here, but peace and love, baby. Thanks, Kigo.
Cheers, Chad.
Cheers.
Can't look the other way. I'm chasing starlight to find its died away. Breathe it in. It's just now. We're just falling, and we won't always free fall back to. I'm just starting to learn. I've always I didn't know that it'd be so hard, yeah, for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know what makes me sad. I sit around and ponder emotions in my head. I give up, no matter what I do, not enough. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up. No matter what I do, I give up, I give up. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up, I give up. I just wanna feel free without any expectations. So many people think they know me, but they only know my music. And there's so much opportunity, so hard to make the most of it. When you feel so depressed and your bed whispers just to stay in it, I think I've had enough of it. I know that I'm not gonna win. Surrendering my everything, I'm giving up, I'm giving in. Nobody understands what I'm going through. Can't explain when you don't come from it. I give up, no matter what I do, not here, no. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up, I give up. I give up, I give up, I give up. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up, I give up. I give up. I give up, I give up, I give up.
When the bass drum hits your face, you be like. When the bass drum hits your face, you